Today is Tuesday, November 26, 2024, and with a holiday-shortened week upon us, we've got plenty to unpack. We'll recap today's market activity, discuss the factors driving movement, and, of course, provide a forecast for next Monday, December 2, 2024. Let's jump in. Today's session closed out with a mix of optimism and caution. The S&P 500 edged higher by 0.4%, ending at 4,510, buoyed by gains in tech and consumer discretionary stocks. Meanwhile, the Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 0.2%, weighed down by disappointing earnings from industrial giants. The Nasdaq Composite surged 1%, thanks to renewed enthusiasm for AI-driven innovations in the semiconductor sector. It wasn't just the indices catching attention today. Small-cap stocks in the Russell 2000 added 0.6%, signaling increased investor confidence in riskier assets, even as Treasury yields showed some volatility. Now, let's break down what moved the markets today. Economic data. This morning's consumer confidence report came in stronger than expected, reinforcing the narrative that the American consumer remains resilient heading into the holiday season. Earnings season wrap-up. While most major companies have reported, today we saw results from key industrial players, with mixed reviews. Federal Reserve minutes. Investors are anticipating tomorrow's release of the Fed's November meeting minutes. Any hint at a softer stance on rate hikes could fuel more upside momentum. Tech and consumer discretionary sectors led the pack, with notable contributions from major players like Nvidia, which soared 3.5% on news of a massive new AI chip order. On the flip side, energy stocks lagged as oil prices slid below $75 a barrel, weighed down by rising inventories. One standout: Tesla. The stock gained over 4% after unveiling a significant expansion of its battery manufacturing operations in Texas. Looking ahead to next Monday, December 2, 2024, a few themes are set to dominate the conversation. Post-holiday retail trends, the Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales figures will be a major focus. Early indications suggest record-breaking e-commerce sales, but we'll need to see if those translate into bullish sentiment for retail stocks. Job market watch. The November jobs report drops next Friday, but analysts will already be speculating about its impact on the Fed's next move. Sector rotation. With tech stocks leading year-to-date, will we see a shift toward defensive plays as we approach year-end? Utilities and healthcare could draw more interest. From a technical standpoint, the S&P 500 is trading just above its 200-day moving average, a critical support level. If we see a break below 4,480, it could trigger a short-term sell-off. However, resistance at 4,550 remains the key level to watch for upside momentum. For individual stocks, watch for Apple as it approaches its next earnings call. Analysts are projecting a strong quarter driven by holiday sales, but supply chain challenges could temper enthusiasm. To wrap up, here are 3 actionable points for your trading strategy. Keep an eye on retail stocks as we get sales updates from Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Monitor the bond market for clues about investor sentiment regarding future rate hikes. Stay diversified as year-end volatility may create opportunities in overlooked sectors. If you found this analysis helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think will drive the markets next week. See you Monday with the latest insights.